In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the search box in a Power BI slicer, plus what to check if you can't see the option. By the end of this guide, you'll have a firm grasp on how to make your data more navigable for users, ensuring they can easily find what they need within your reports. Now, let's dive straight into the steps. First, you'll start by opening Power BI Desktop. Once you're there, it's time to add a slicer visual to your report. To do this, you can either select the slicer from the Visualizations pane or drag a field directly onto the report canvas. The slicer is an essential part of Power BI as it gives your users a way to filter data easily, and adding a search box will make their user experience even smoother. Next, it's crucial to choose a field of text data type to use in the slicer. This is a key point because the search feature will not appear if you are using fields of numeric or date types. Ensuring your slicer field is of the right data type is important to enable the search box to appear. So, take a moment to verify that you're using a text field. Once you've done this, it's time to configure the search feature. With your slicer visual ready and displaying a text field, click to select the slicer. Here's a little tip. Make sure your slicer is active by looking for the border around the visual. Once selected, hover your mouse over the slicer. Typically, in the top right corner of the slicer, you'll see a small icon of an ellipsis, which is 3 dots, also known as. Click on these 3 dots, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you will select the option labeled Search. With just this one click, you'll add a search box at the top of your slicer dropdown, allowing users to easily input their queries and find the specific data they need without scrolling through potentially long lists. When you're satisfied that everything is working correctly and your slicer search is functioning as it should, you can proceed to publish your report or share it as needed. Remember, once you've enabled the search feature, it will work seamlessly for end users, making their interaction with your report much more efficient. By following these simple steps, you've not only added a valuable tool to your Power BI report, but also enhanced its usability, demonstrating the power of small adjustments in improving user experience. Now, your audience will have an easy time searching through your slicers, bringing more clarity and speed to their analysis. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.